Finding your land legs, exploring a unique English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, land legs. If you're curious about what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday conversation, you're in the right place. So, let's set sail on this linguistic journey and find out all about land legs. The term land legs is a nautical term originally. It refers to a sailor's ability to adjust to walking on land after spending a significant amount of time at sea. Imagine a sailor who has been on a rocking boat for months. When they step on solid ground, they might feel unsteady or wobbly. When they finally get used to walking on land again, we say they've got their land legs back. Interestingly, land legs is not only used in the literal sense. It has evolved to have a figurative meaning as well. In a broader context, it can describe the process of adapting to a new situation or environment after being accustomed to a different one. For example, if someone moves to a new country and takes some time to adjust to the new culture and lifestyle, they are metaphorically getting their land legs. Now, let's see how you can use this phrase in daily conversation. You might hear someone say, "It took me a few days to get my land legs after that long flight." Here, they're not talking about a boat, but rather the process of adjusting back to a normal routine after travel. Remember, land legs is a casual and somewhat playful expression, so it's perfect for informal conversations. There are a few other expressions that carry a similar meaning. Phrases like getting your bearings or finding your feet also describe the process of adapting to new situations. However, land legs has that unique nautical flair that makes it stand out and brings a bit of maritime charm to your conversation. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the phrase, land legs, and feel confident in using it in your own conversations. It's a fun and evocative expression that captures the feeling of adjusting to new circumstances. Whether it's after a long voyage at sea or just a big change in your life. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you on your journey to mastering the English language. Happy learning, and see you next time!